Not every child goes on to become an adult, but all adults were once children. Child abuse and neglect don't just harm children in the moment, they change the trajectory of their health for a lifetime.
Just in the last 12 months alone, more than 13,000 children have been part of substantiated investigations of abuse and neglect. We see that the total annual economic losses associated with child abuse and neglect in South Carolina exceed $74 billion annually. $74 billion annually. It extends to all 46 counties, and the results reveal that child abuse and neglect is a statewide challenge that affects rural and metropolitan areas relatively equally.
Neuroscientists estimate that babies form over 1 million connections per second. These connections are shaped by the baby's environment and experiences. When these experiences are positive, the brain builds strong pathways for learning, emotional regulation, and trust. But when children live in fear or instability, the result is a brain that's wired for survival, not for growth. One that carries the marks of trauma well into adulthood. We see higher rates of heart disease, depression, substance use, and even early death.
And the American Medical Association estimates that the economic burden of health conditions related to adverse childhood experiences is about $1.7 billion annually just in South Carolina alone.
Our state leaders have done an excellent job of attracting record-breaking economic development investments over the decades in South Carolina. We now ask state leaders to stand with us, invest in the next generation, our future workforce.
The key is education, and the key is preventive programs. And what I'm excited about is seeing Children's Trust and all of us here today forming one team with one goal, and that is reduce child abuse and neglect.
When we strengthen families, we also strengthen South Carolina's economy.
The moral imperative that we have as a society, as a General Assembly, as a community, to look out for those who are not able to look out for themselves right now. It's important to the state, it's important to our economic development, to our workforce, but there are lives at stake here, and I'm grateful for what Children's Trust is doing.
Every dollar spent on prevention saves lives, strengthens communities, and returns value to taxpayers many times over.
We have to do it now. We can't wait till tomorrow or next week. Every minute that we wait, that's a child that's being abused or neglected.